Are you stuck? Riley, can you get out? Are you stuck in there? Yes? Are you mommy's girl? Are you mommy's girl? Do you want me to get you out? Are you mommy's girl? Yes? If you're not mommy's girl, I'm not getting you out. Okay. Alright, come on. Okay. Oh, you're really stuck. I can't get you out. Riley. Yay, look at me. Are you mommy's girl? Look. Hey. Are you mommy's girl? Look at me. Look. I love you. You're mad at me.